Hello my dear students, today I will give my second lecture on the topic more on the PowerPoint 2010. In my last topic, we have discussed about the tables, that how we can insert a table in a PowerPoint, how we can make a changes, how we can do a formatting on the table, how we can change the background, how we can apply a border to the table. Now today I will tell you about the chart. What is the chart? Firstly, if you want to represent your data in a pictorial form, that is known as the chart. आपने मैथमेटिक्स में किया होगा कि चार्ट क्या होता है, कुछ डेटा के अकॉर्डिंगली हम उसको पिक्टोरियल फॉर्म में जब चेंज करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज द चार्ट. अब हाउ यू कैन इंसर्ट अ चार्ट, व्हाट functions we can apply on the chart, that I will tell you in my practical session, but just I will tell you some components of the chart in this. This is your chart, like this bar chart I have taken, and this is the chart title, and this is the, now I will tell about what is chart title. This is the name of the chart which you want to give. You can go there and you can change the name of the, you can write down the name of the chart here. And first component is the chart area. This is the plotted area in which you have drawn a chart, and plus chart title. Then total area is known as the chart area. Second is category axis, x-axis. In maths you have studied about what is x-axis. X-axis is known as the category axis. Next is the value axis. Y-axis is known as the value axis. Next is your data series. Data series are these bars. These bars and slices are known as the data series, जिसमें हम डेटा को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. That is the data series. Next is the category name. Category name means जो नेम हमारे x एक्सिस पे और जो y एक्सिस पे हम नेम्स डिफाइन करते हैं, that are known as the category names. Next is the plotted area, in which chart title will not be included, only a chart area will be included, that is known as the plot area. Next is the legends. What is the legends? जो हम इसमें कलर्स शो करते हैं, जैसे आर्शी के लिए आपने आप अपनी फिगर में देख सकते हैं, फिगर 5.5 ऑन द पेज नंबर 5.6. आर्शी के लिए जो कलर यूज़ किया है, विनोद के लिए जो कलर यूज़ किया है, मोनिका के लिए हमने जो कलर यूज़ किया है इन ग्राफ्स को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए, डाटा रिटन हेयर, एंड दिस इज नोन एज द लीजेंड्स. नेक्स्ट इज द चार्ट टाइटल. दिस इज द चार्ट टाइटल, दैट इज द नेम ऑफ द चार्ट. एंड लास्ट इज द ग्रिड लाइन. दीज ग्रिड लाइन्स, why we use this grid line? By these grid lines, the reading of the chart is very easy for us. We can easily identify the what value is going here, like this. So this is known as, these are all the components of the chart I have told you. And now how we can insert the chart, I will tell you about, I will tell all about this in my practical session. So come with me for the practical session. Let's start our practical session. In today's sessions, I will tell you how we can insert a chart in a MS PowerPoint. So for this, firstly we have to start the MS PowerPoint. Same steps we have to follow as we have done in our previous session. Click on this start button, all programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint. Now this automatically this slide is open here, but we will insert title and content slide. Home, go to new slide, click on title and content. Now this slide is inserted. Now we have to insert a chart. Then we have to go to insert button. We'll go in this insert button, click on illustration group में जाओ और इस chart button पर जाओ, click on this chart button. Now this insert chart dialog box will be open. Click on this column button. Now there are the various types of the column charts are here, line chart, pie chart, which type of chart you want to insert we are doing, but today we are inserting a column chart, that is the bar type graph, that is that there column, in this the chart, every data is represented as a column. So click on this column chart and then click on this OK. Now you can see here this will be shown, this will be seen on your desktop, in your PowerPoint. Here the chart is here, and this chart is according to this MS Excel sheet. This is the default sheet which they have taken automatically. In this there are 4 categories, category 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the 4 rows, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the columns B, C and D, series 1, series 2, series 3. According to that data, this chart is made. I think I need not to explain how we can make a chart. That is already you have done in your classes, in your mathematics classes. Now we will make this chart according to our data. So we will delete this data that is given in the MS Excel sheet, and we will insert our own data. So go there, go in this Excel sheet, click here where this left arrow side is, where this arrow button is shown. Whenever you go there, your cursor will change into the plus sign. Click on it, all the sheet will be selected, then press the delete button from your keyboard. I am pressing the delete button now. All the data is deleted. Now I am inserting my own data. Now I am inserting my own data that is given in your book. Now I am inserting the data that is given in the figure number 5.6, which Excel sheet is given. We will insert all the same data in this cell B1, that is written January. So I am written January, then press the tab button. You will move to next button, then February, then March. Now here I am putting food, water bill, rent and electricity bill. Food, water bill, rent, electricity bill. Electricity, electricity bill. Now I am inserting the data here. That is given 800, 850, 900. Now 300. You can see the changes as I am putting the value. The bar graph is made here. 300, 500 and 400. Next 2000, 2000 and 2000. 1200. So I am putting the data 1000 and 1500. So I have inserted all the data in this Excel sheet according to the month of the January, February, March, and the rent of the food is in January is 800 and February is 850 and the March is 900. Similarly, what is the expenses of the water bill, rent and electricity bill. Now this is our Excel sheet and I have inserted all the data. Now according to this data, you can see the chart is automatically made up here. This. Now the chart is here according to the food items, food, water bill, rent and the electricity bill, and here it is taken all these items, and here it is taken the value of the column in the January, February and March. Food, January, February and March. So it is here, that series is shown here. January it is showing the blue, February it is showing by the red color, and the March it is shown by the green color. Now I will tell you in detail the components of the chart here, which is where we have discussed in our theoretical session. So what was the components of the chart? First was the component of the chart, that was the chart area. This complete chart area is known as the chart area, in which all the objects of the chart are included. That is the complete area. Next is the category axis, that is known as the horizontal axis, that is x-axis, like this. This is the category axis, in which there is the food item, water bill, rent and electricity bill are coming. This is the x-axis, and this is your y-axis, 0, 500, 1000, 15, 2000 and 2500. This is your value axis. So the horizontal axis is known as the category axis, and the vertical axis is known as the value axis. Next come the data series. These are the bars, slices and other elements that shows the data value. Now the chart area is clear, and the category axis and the value axis is clear. Now what is the data series? That are the bars. जो ये आपको blue, red और green color के बार दिख रहे हैं, that are known as the bars, that are known as the data series, जो हमें डेटा के बारे में बता रहा है. Next is the category name, that are the label displays on the x-axis and the y-axis. Category name, labels जैसे कि ये food, water bill, rent and electricity bill. तो ये सारे हमारे क्या हैं? कैटेगरी नेम. और इधर 500, 1000, 1500, ऑल दीज आर द कैटेगरी नेम. नेक्स्ट इज द प्लॉट एरिया. दिस इज द विंडो विद इन द चार्ट एरिया. अब सिर्फ ये विंडो चार्ट एरिया के बीच में, जिसमें सिर्फ चार्ट बना हुआ है, उस विंडो को हम, उतने एरिया को हम क्या बोलेंगे? प्लॉट एरिया. जिसमें एक्चुअली चार्ट है, जिसमें डाटा सीरीज, category axis and the value axis is also included. Next is the legend. Legends are, these are the color patterns or the symbols that are assigned to the data series. These जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, तो हमने यहाँ शो ऑफ किए कि जनवरी के लिए ब्लू कलर, फरवरी के लिए रेड कलर एंड मार्च के लिए ग्रीन कलर. ये सारे हमारे क्या है? दीज आर नोन एज द लेजेंड्स. नेक्स्ट इज द चार्ट टाइटल. दिस इज, वी आर गिविंग अ चार्ट टाइटल हेयर. These are monthly expenses. मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया MONTLY, monthly expenses. So these are our chart name. This is the chart title. Next is the grid lines. Grid lines that is shown here. This, ये जो सीधी लाइन आ रही है, और अगर इसके बीच में कॉलम्स लाइन भी आती है तो these are known as the grid lines. तो इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस एंड द वर्टिकल लाइंस. ग्रिड लाइंस दैट मेक्स इट ईजियर टू रीड एंड अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू. इसके थ्रू हम ईजिली रीड कर सकते हैं. जैसे हमें ये पता है कि रेंट का एरिया कहाँ तक गया? 2000 तक चला गया. फूड का एरिया 1000 से नीचे, तो इट मीन्स 800, 850, 900 तक है. अप्रॉक्सीमेटली सही है, हमें थोड़ा अपना आइडिया लग जाता है हमारी वैल्यूज़ के अकॉर्डिंग. तो ग्रिड लाइन रीड करने के लिए थोड़ा ईजी है. So this we have done in this, that how we can make a chart, what are the components of the chart and how we can insert a chart. This is the method. By going on insert and click on the chart, you can insert a chart. But by default this series will come. You can select and delete this series, and you can insert your own data here. By this you can insert a chart according to your value. Now if we want to close this Excel sheet, then go to title bar, a cross sign here, and close this. Then only chart will be shown on your desktop. Clear? Now only this chart is inserted in your PowerPoint presentation. Now this is shown here. Now I will tell you about the changing the chart type. अब टाइप, अगर मुझे ये लगा कि बार ग्राफ था जो मैंने इंसर्ट कर लिया, मुझे चार्ट टाइप चेंज करना है, तो मैं कैसे करूँगी? पहले तो चार्ट को क्या कीजिए, सेलेक्ट कीजिए, क्लिक ऑन दिस चार्ट। जैसे ही आप चार्ट को सेलेक्ट करोगे तो ऊपर आपके यहाँ पर जहाँ पर मेन्यू बार है वहाँ पे ये 2 बटन्स आएंगे, डिज़ाइन, लेआउट एंड फॉर्मेट। और बच्चे कंफ्यूज मत हो ना, मेरे पीसी के अंदर विंडोज़ 7 डली हुई है, इस बुक के अंदर विंडोज़ 2010 के अकॉर्डिंगली दे रखा है, तो थोड़ा सा टैब्स में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होगा, बट सबका काम सेम ही है। तो आपके पीसी में अगर डिफरेंट है, विंडोज़ 7 की जगह विंडो 10 है या विंडोज़ 16 है, तो थोड़ा बहुत हमारी टैब्स में डिफरेंट होगा, लेकिन आपको हर टैब आपके ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में आपकी विंडोज़ में मिल जाएंगी। आप ये मत देखना मैम के तो यहाँ था और हमारे कहीं और दिखाई दे रहा है, इट डजेंट मैटर, सो वी हैव टू सर्च दैट बटन। नाउ आई एम चेंजिंग द चार्ट डिज़ाइन, inserting the chart type. Go to the design tab, click on this design tab. You can see there are the various chart styles and the chart layouts here. आपकी बुक में बताया है कि जब हम चार्ट डिज़ाइन के अंदर जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे चेंज चार्ट टाइप आता है, बट मेरे पीसी में चेंज चार्ट टाइप नहीं आ रहा है। तो अगर आपके पीसी में आ रहा हो तो यहीं पे वो चेंज चार्ट टाइप एक और ग्रुप होगा, उसमें जाओ और जो भी आप सेलेक्ट करोगे वहाँ पे जाकर आप चेंज कर सकते हो, चेंज चार्ट टाइप। नेक्स्ट है फॉर्मेटिंग का चार्ट, कि इस चार्ट की फॉर्मेटिंग करनी, इसमें कुछ चेंजेस करने, तो मैं आपको बाद में नेक्स्ट सेशन के अंदर बताऊंगी। आई होप यहाँ तक आपको क्लियर हो गया है कि चार्ट क्या होता है और चार्ट में हम कैसे, चार्ट को हम कैसे इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं। हम एक्सेल शीट के अंदर जाके अपना डाटा डाल के उसके अकॉर्डिंगली चार्ट को शो ऑफ कर सकते हैं। तो दीज आई थिंक दीज ऑल पॉइंट्स आर क्लियर टू यू। स्टिल इफ़ यू आर फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट मी एनी टाइम। And thank you and have a nice day, and please do the practice of these sessions also. I am asking again and again, please see the video and follow my steps, because your practical will be improved from here and you will not have any problem in doing the practical. Otherwise you always say कि हमें practical में issues है, problems है, अब तो video आपके पास है, just see your videos and follow the steps one by one and clear your practical session. Thank you and have a nice day.